Yeah, I would just hit these windows with a water fed pole. You're going to want to probably hit that top seal all the way down.
Right.
What you're going to want to do is hit that top. Have you ever used a water fed pole?
No.
So what you're going to want to do is probably hit that top seal all the way down, and even clean it up there,
Right.
and then come back, because what happens is that it comes dripping down.
Right.
And then when we come up here like this,
Right.
we're not going to go all the way up to that top.
Right.
And then, is that on the inside? No, it's on the outside. And then what you'll do is you'll come across, you want to get it wet, and then you go up and down 1,
Right.
2, 3,
Right.
and you do it 3 times. And then what you're going to do is pull that water fed pole off, and it's going to shoot off, and you're going to come all the way across,
Right.
and go down and come down. And you don't want to get down below that drip edge, so you're only going to come down about you'll go across here and come back across here. But when you're doing it, I mean, you can move just as fast as this right here.
Right.
And then we'll just come all the way down, and then rinse it all the way down, because if I stop here, that dirt will stay right there.
Okay.
And basically, I mean, you can be like this, 1,
Right.
2, 3, and 3, pull off, go across, and then run that water. Because what it is you'll see that now some windows will have, it's called a different type of window. It's called a there's 2 different types of glass.
Right.
And one of them, the water will bead on you real bad, like it won't flow. You'll see the flowing. If it's flowing, it's good. That means you can just run with it. If it does that bead, that means you really got to go over it a lot. Because if it beads, what happens is, what we're doing is this dirt on there right now, right? So we're taking that deionized water, and we're turning that dirt into a solution, and then we're going to rinse that dirty solution off.
So do they even use soap at all with those water fed?
No. That deionized water,
Right, okay, that's it.
it gets rid of all the dirt in there.
Right.
And so that's the dirt reflection there.
Right.
So, does that make sense?
It does.
And like I say, you're going to have to hit that top, but I think this is the only spot really you're going to have to hit that top a bunch. So I think today went good for 130 gallons of bleach. And I know you had a bunch of guys here, but
Half those guys ain't gonna be able to.
you don't need them, you know. I mean, you didn't know that, but. And then I would just spray 6% on this, hit the surface cleaner over it, and be done with it. Because the other thing, you can see all the.
Can you bring these back over to my trailer? Yes, sir.
You can see all the sand.
Actually, you know what, Don?
You sure? For tomorrow? Hell no.
Hey Ty, you know where you can get a good surface cleaner at?
All right, bring them over. right here, obviously. He's tripping. I'll get a new one.
You can see all the sand coming off that building. You imagine if you hit this with high pressure up there, like that turbo nozzle. See all the sand down here along it? That's all that grit coming off that building up there. Right here, you see how that stuff? That's that grit coming off that, where it was on that building.
From what we just did?
Yep. Yep.
I see what you're saying.
You see right over here where it really hit that corner?
Right.